G'day trendsetters, how are you today? I'd just like to talk a little bit about Amaryllis, Amaryllis Belladonna, Naked Lady, got a few other names, but one of those three. And a little bit cheekily yesterday I just asked, yesterday was World Garden Naked Day. And a little bit cheekily I asked in one of the Facebook gardening groups here if I should fertilise my naked ladies today. And most people got the joke, but one lady did answer me seriously, which I was after a serious answer as well. And she said yes. So what I'm going to do, I've also read up a few other gardening sites and they said bit of compost, bit of blood and bone. I've also got a watering can full of power feed mixed up. And that's all I'm going to do. What happens with naked ladies, as the name suggests, is that the flowering stem comes out after the leaves. So the leaves have been coming now for the last month, 6 weeks, and this is the time that the bulbs feed. So as this foliage dies back down, it will go into the bulb and it will produce the flower for the end of summer, early autumn. So if I enrich the soil around here, then the plant will take that up into the leaves, and when the leaves die back, it will hopefully improve the flowering of the bulb. Which comes to my next point. The reason why I'm doing this is that this is just a standard naked lady, Belladonna, but I got it from a grandmother many years ago. It's probably been here, I don't know, 15, maybe 20 years. One of the first plants I planted when we got here, and my grandmother has since passed away. So this is a kind of a memory to her. But in the whole time that I've had this here, it's flowered once. So I figure it's probably time to get a little bit serious and see if I can improve that. This clump here is quite thick, and I may divide that up in summer when the bulb is dormant. So the naked lady bulbs are dormant in summer. Thin them out and I might spread them around a bit more. But back here they're a bit thin. She only gave me 2 or 3 bulbs, so they've spread quite well. Also, if you're wondering, it's probably a bit late for us here now, but the seeds that develop from the flower of the Belladonna lily are quite, what's the word? I don't know. The seeds that are produced by the Belladonna lily will replicate, you can plant them and they'll grow and replicate the plant quite well. It will take a few years before you get to a flowering plant, that's all. The other thing is, once they're divided, it won't flower again the next year. You'll probably need to wait at least 12 months and probably 2 years. They don't like being disturbed all that much. But having said that, it's just a simple matter. Bit of blood and bone. I've got a lot of leaf litter. I've got a wisteria above me here, and it drops a lot of leaf litter, so I'm not going to mulch. So I think that's more than enough. Amaryllis, Belladonna, they can do and will tolerate quite dry soil, so that's not a big issue to have it well mulched. But we'll give it some blood and bone, and they recommend on the packet about 2 handfuls per square metre, so I reckon that's roughly it. I won't do much more than that for the blood and bone. Just fluff it into the soil surface. Mother Nature will take care of the rest, and same pretty much with the compost. Just not on top of the bulb, so just around it, around the root systems. That's all I'll do there. Again, I'll just sort of scuff that into the soil surface. and water in with the power feed. And hopefully, what's that, about 6 months, I'll have a nice display of naked ladies. Let's see how we go. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I hope you found this interesting in some way and useful. If you have, I'd love it if you subscribed. Keep the channel growing. Like and share the video. Like and share the video if you can, if you will. And I'll see you in the next video, which is about soil preparation for veggie garden soil preparation. So we'll see you then. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Ta-da!